I think the wonderful thing about the patchwork world is the ability to fit shapes together. And I was playing around with some classic shapes. Now, probably one of the most classic shapes in the patchwork world is the hexagon. And I was wondering what I could work with the hexagon. And I discovered, of course, as all of you know, that a 60-degree diamond also works remarkably well with a hexagon. Strange enough, 3 60-degree diamond shapes make a hexagon. You've also got a 60-degree triangle, and all of these are usable together. If you were to put them together, you could come up with a star. And I've gone for some rather outlandishly wacky, wonderful, on-trend Christmas fabrics. And what I've been able to do with the template is, because you can see through them as they're this clear acrylic, is I've been able to fussy cut the hexagon in the middle. Fussy cutting is when you lay your template on the fabric and you cut out the specific shape. Now, when I'm going to fussy cut, I tend to put the template on the back and draw around it. And of course, you can see through the template, so you can position it. Fussy cutting does have one slight drawback in, of course, it is a little wasteful in material, but we don't mind that. We want the effect. When you've done that, slit a hole in the interfacing, turn it through, and you have a perfect block you could apply to a cushion, to a small quilt, to perhaps a table mat, and there you have the Star of David using triangles, diamonds, and hexagons, all from the Easy Quilting templates.